Introduction to photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a vital biological process that occurs in plants, algae, and certain bacteria. It serves as the primary means by which solar energy is converted into chemical energy, enabling life on Earth. Through photosynthesis, organisms harness the power of sunlight to synthesize organic compounds, mainly glucose, and release oxygen as a byproduct. The process of photosynthesis can be represented by the following chemical equation. 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus light energy rightward arrow C6H12O6, glucose, plus 6O2. In this equation, carbon dioxide, CO2, and water, H2O, react in the presence of light energy, mediated by chlorophyll and other pigments in the chloroplasts of plant cells, to produce glucose, C6H12O6, and oxygen, O2. Chloroplasts are the specialized organelles where photosynthesis takes place in plants and algae. These tiny green structures contain chlorophyll, the pigment responsible for capturing light energy. The chloroplasts are abundant in the leaves, which is why leaves are the primary site for photosynthesis in most plants. Photosynthesis occurs in two main stages, the light-dependent reactions and the light-independent reactions, also known as the Calvin cycle. During the light-dependent reactions, light energy is absorbed by chlorophyll, and this energy is used to split water molecules into oxygen and protons. The protons are then used to create a proton gradient, which drives the synthesis of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and NADPH, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, two energy-rich molecules. Several factors influence the rate of photosynthesis. Light intensity is a crucial factor, as more light energy results in higher rates of photosynthesis, up to a certain saturation point. Temperature also plays a significant role, with an optimal temperature range promoting photosynthesis, while extreme heat or cold can inhibit the process. Availability of carbon dioxide, water, and nutrients also impacts the rate of photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is the primary photosynthetic pigment responsible for capturing light energy, but there are other pigments, such as carotenoids and phycobilins in algae and bacteria, that play auxiliary roles. These pigments expand the range of light wavelengths that can be absorbed, enhancing the efficiency of photosynthesis and protecting cells from excessive light damage. Photosynthesis is of paramount importance to life on Earth. It is the foundation of the food chain, as plants produce their own food through photosynthesis and serve as the primary source of nourishment for herbivores. Carnivores and omnivores, in turn, depend on these plant eaters for sustenance. Moreover, photosynthesis is responsible for replenishing oxygen levels in the atmosphere, essential for the respiration of all aerobic organisms. Photosynthesis remains an ongoing wonder of the natural world, revealing the intricate interplay between life and energy. Its intricate mechanisms have shaped the evolution of life on Earth, providing sustenance and energy for countless organisms and offering scientists inspiration for innovative solutions to global challenges. As our understanding of photosynthesis deepens, its significance in ecological balance, sustainable agriculture, and renewable energy will continue to be harnessed for the betterment of humanity and our planet.